Here's problem 12. We look at this and quickly you notice an n squared minus 6n plus n. We say, hey, that can factor down. Now, if we think of the factors, I'm going to have to break 8 down, and 8 breaks into 1 times 8, 2 times 4. It's a plus 8, so either both these are negative or both positive. But since I see subtracting 6n, I know they're both negative. That means it's going to be the negative 2 and negative 4. Negative 2 and negative 4 would create that. So I know that this is simply an n minus 2 times an n minus 4, all divided by n minus 2. Now this number, n minus 2, and this n minus 2, they're going to be the same number. If I plug 6 in, I'd get 4. 6 in, you get 4. 4 divided by 4 just gives you 1. So these are going to cross out with one another, and you're simply left with a solution of n minus 4. This whole thing is nothing more than saying n minus 4. And would you rather, if I had to plug 10 in, would you like to plug 10 in here and go 10 squared minus 6 times 10 plus 8 all divided by 10 minus 2? Or just plug in 10 and go, oh, 10 minus 4, 6. I guarantee if you plug 10 into this equation, you're going to get 10 minus 4, 6. You have to, because this little bit is exactly the same as n minus 4. Now the one thing we have to be careful, and we have to make a statement, we have to state what n could not equal. Notice we crossed off this subtracting 2. Notice at the beginning, n could not be a 2, could it? Because if you plug a 2 in, you get 2 minus 2 in the bottom, and you're not allowed to divide by 0. You can't put things in groups of nothing. It makes no sense. So we have to make the statement that n is never allowed to be 2. Because somebody might come along here and go, oh, well, let's plug, if I plug 2 in, it's just 2 minus 4. Negative 2 will be the solution if you plug 2 in here. But you're not ever allowed to plug 2 in here. So you have to make sure if you simplify something, because what happens is you're just saying, oh, it's equal to n minus 4, so they go with whatever, and they're not paying attention back here to the original, because they just want to do this n minus 4. So you have to state the restriction of what n is not allowed to be. Very important idea there.